Flange width is exactly as specified. Quality control approval confirmed. Good. The length matches the schematic here as well. Material grade is correct.
Utilising professional British engineering, our system ensures exceptional comfort and capacity.
Holding steady, looks good there. Ready to lock it in. All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on the left side. Perfect, hold it there.
Experience the difference professional suspension engineering makes. Our independent comfort system guarantees a smooth ride.
Demonstrating the innovative kneeling suspension, the bus lowers smoothly, enhancing accessibility and passenger convenience. Each professional drive axle proudly displays its heritage. ZF axle, UK assembled, a testament to British and German engineering quality.
Lower it steady now. Watch the mounts on your side. Almost there. Guide it in.
Secured. Take the tension off the chains.
All right, bring it down 5 centimeters. Clearance looks good on this side. Steady now, almost seated.
Alignment confirmed. Engaging the voice connection sequence.
Secure connection initialized.
Systems check complete.
Watch the hose connections.
Brackets secured. Confirming thermocouple seating.
Watch the clearance on the SCR housing.
As we turn onto Main Street, these panoramic windows offer an unobstructed view of the stunning architecture. Truly.
Row 12, seats A through F secured.
Confirmed on the checklist. Moving to the next section.
We need to expedite the installation of these overhead bins.
What's the status on the seating mounts for row 7?
Almost complete, just finalizing the connections now.
Position confirmed. Securing the rail now.
It's holding steady. Torque check complete. Approved.
These professional climate controls ensure optimal passenger comfort, adapting quickly to even the most unpredictable British weather.
Braking force registered at 8.2 tons.
Approved. The results are satisfactory. The braking efficiency test is complete.
Confirmed. It passes all TfL operational requirements.
Braking force confirmed. 8.2 tons.
Approved for service.
A proud symbol of British excellence, the Routemaster is reborn, ready to serve London for generations to come.